in order for me to code, I still need to bring to my own folder, right? From this branch, right? In order to test.
That's what we did, right? We cloned
Yeah.
it and you created a branch with a Jira task number. The Jira task number.
No, but it's still sitting in.
It's not. It came into your actual solution in Visual Studio.
No,
right?
once you create a branch means all this one is in your local.
Oh,
Correct.
it's already, okay. When I
It's-
create a branch in,
This whole thing.
Git,
like,
it's
clone-
also in my folder in the same time.
Clone means you are getting from Git.
Up to date.
We had a cloud repository and a local repository.
Right,
It means cloud folder and local folder.
right.
In cloud, I maintain master and production code. From cloud, you are taking a copy and then putting into your local. And in local, you
Right.
create a one ERP task branch and make a change and then just push into the cloud. I'll show you here.
Okay.
If you go here, initially I created only master branch. Now I made a change and then there was another branch got created. You can see
Mhm.
all the branches.
Hmm.
See, there was a master
Yeah,
branch
right.
and UAD. Master and UAD is a fixed and protected branch. Now you can, like, developer cannot able to make a modification, only
Right.
releasing it. Now at this point it should be like, I'm going to give an access only to Josh to make changes. Move it to the master and then release it to the production.
Yeah.
This is your
Dev
like,
branch.
your like developer branch, ERP
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. We call it as a developer branch.
Developer branch. So when I created this branch, in the same time, I have the exact copy on my local drive, right?
Yeah, that's what like.
Yeah, no, I see, because it's like registration in.
Only
Git.
if you check in and then push.
Yes, yes.
Only after checking only I can see it in here. Until then it will be sitting on your local one.
I see, okay, got it. Only after check in to this
Right.
ERP.
See, like, 4 minutes before I just checked in and then pushed.
Okay.
Now the next step was moving to the test environment.
Mhm.
First, we need a source and then we clone in your local and we create a new branch from the Jira task with the Jira task number. Next, we made a change and then we are going to release it to the test region. For that, you have to go, click on merge request. I have a document, I will send it later.
Yeah.
Click on create merge request. In your project, select the merge request and then don't click on this create merge request. Always click on new merge request. Because it just uses a last code, hit the last upgrade or something.
New WordPress, yeah.
Over here, select the branch, the
Yeah.
developer branch which you create.
Right.
First, it will, it's based on you, like, we have test environment.
Your policy, right, exactly. And I was thinking that in my mind as you're saying this, I didn't want to interrupt you, but we don't have a UAT environment, we just have a dev environment. So we have the users testing in UAT in dev also. So once they approve in dev, we just merge it into master.
And you don't need it like.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just push it to master. Right, you guys get that, right?
Right, of course. We don't
Alex?
have to stay
So let me just confirm this. So
But in
after-
future, that could be, just check with
Absolutely.
branches and,
Absolutely,
yeah.
right, yeah.
So let me just, so what you're saying, after we made a change, like for example, whatever in our local drive,
Mhm.
and we satisfy, the next step would be to check in ERP 1, 2, 3, 4. After, we
The thing is
use
that,
exercise package.
We should not use development environment as a like testing environment for users. It's because user was testing something and we were doing some new additional changes and it will make the UAT.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So we're very aware of that, for sure,
Yeah.
that's 100% good policy, right? But given the fact
That's
that we
a,
don't.
that's the reason we had a separate environment. We don't
True.
use the same environment for both of them. So-
Right,
Right,
so
that's the
we
reason we have
freeze
to-
what we do on the UA or the dev environment as the users are testing it.
Right.
So we don't touch the objects or anything, store procedures or anything, or even the packages. Once they approve it, or if they say we come back and say, no, there's some issues in this, then that's when we go and touch it again. And, But 100% you're right, I mean, the ideal policy should be, we have a designated UAT environment, but
There
unfortunately.
is about gray area, like we can add.
We're
some
just
kind
three of us, right, so
yeah.
that's why they didn't give us a UAT environment, so you just got dev and that's it, before we didn't even have dev, it was just production.
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Oh, yeah, dev is when I came in. Yeah, when I
That's
requested.
nice you came in.
Once I came in, I requested
So
for
very
dev
good
environment, that's
changes.
when we got the dev environment.
Mir, so let me just finish my thought. So what we're saying, Miran, so, right, we made a change, it's been tested. Okay, so it's still, because we opened this ERP ticket, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's sitting on my local disk, right? Looks good, I save it, now check in, back to 1, 2, 3, 4, right, ERP, from my local drive. So now it's sitting in 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step, it has to somehow, should ended up in the master. At this point, how can we bring
That's
back?
that's called merge request, that's the one we are doing.
Okay,
Right
got
now,
it,
see.
okay.
Because you
Create a
know,
merge request,
yeah,
go here,
from this,
Merge
And then new
request.
merge request.
and
Yeah.
then click on the new merge request.
And that's
Merge
we
request.
take it from 1, 2, 3, 4, we push it into master.
so this is our
Let's,
dev
let me-
environment, and then
just
it's
in case
master.
we-
Yeah,
we
absolutely,
can
yeah,
see
yeah,
how
yeah,
it
absolutely,
is.
absolutely.
When you do move it to the test region, we don't delete the source branch. Only
Right, you
after
just merge
pushing
it.
into the production, we use to delete it. We need to uncheck it if it's a test release.
Oh, okay.
One of our developers accidentally deleted the dev environment once, like when he
The
was
development,
merging.
it should be always sitting on the local. You
Right,
can
and
repush it again.
then we made a copy of the staging, and then created dev environment again. But we need to be extremely cautious because it's gonna
No, no,
delete.
it will be sitting on the local. Like
Right.
even though if I delete it, it will be sitting on my local.
Oh, okay.
This is a cloud repository.
Mhm.
Git IT is a cloud repository. It doesn't touch any local code.
Right.
Only if you push into the web, like then it will.
Right.
This delete won't delete your local files.
Right. But my point is not deleting local files, but you know whatever is on the cloud. In our case, it was Azure database on the cloud. So it deleted it when one developer was pushing it from one environment to the other. It was fun.
Now if you go here, I can
Mhm.
see what are the packages and changed.
Right.
Okay,
That's the
it
best
will-
part.
I touched
it
only
will
the
show
EA.
you, okay.
EA refresh.
show all the
I
stored
added this one,
procedures,
and then
whatever
this
you have
one
added.
I just modified it. That's why it was showing the modified.
It will touch only whatever we changed or added.
Right.
Right, okay.
You can see on there.
And people can approve it, right, before we go to production.
Right now we don't have approved mechanism. Like usually it will be the developer decides it. Everything is under that. Any issue, developer will be blamed.
Oh, interesting. Right.
We should be developers should, like we should be careful what we give and that's why it
Sure.
shows. That's why it shows us the changes and everything.
Right. Like
Like,
in
it's
my
because
case-
like if you go for the upload with the manager was busy. It will take a time.
Yeah.
We
It will
don't
take-
want to
it
hold
will
the
take
time on the
3 weeks.
Right.
Okay, so it's showing the whatever it's been changed, okay.
Right. So our principal data engineer used to approve our work because then we had principal and then we had senior data engineer and we had small data engineers like me. Who would do?
Now
Who would
I
try to
merged
survive?
with the test region. If you had a test region, Josh, this is UAT, right? And you can just get it from the UAT branch, the changes. Download from here and then release it.
Okay, this is for
UAT
Josh.
branch, right?
Josh.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Fine.
You guys just show me which location, I can download it.
Yes.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Let's let Mir to set up whether he wanted a UAT or not. Like after that, it's based on that. If there is a test region, you can get from the test tree branch and then release it. If it's direct production region, you can just merge into the master and then download from there, master branch.
So Josh will do it
Yeah.
from
Before-
UAT to master, right?
Yeah. As for developer, we just create a merge request.
Yeah.
After that, merging the code to the master branch.
So this
and
is Josh's part here.
This is Josh.
Mhm.
Creation will be developer part,
Yeah.
and then
The
release.